Hello, an update on GBPUSD, whereby our targets have just been smashed. This is what you're seeing right here. This right here, all this one, all this guy is a consolidation. This is what most traders hate. This is market. This is time distortion. Consolidations are a form of just time distortion. Market is just waiting for certain time to rally or drop. But does this consolidation make sense? Is there any logical explanation for this consolidation? Is it that the market is just chopping, moving upwards and downwards without any direction? This right here is just a magnified form of that area. This right here, which you said, all this area here. What we can say, what we can see here is that this consolidation has some logical reasoning, whereby, see right here, this is just a sweep of liquidity. All of us can see we rallied down, right? Rallying down, we had a break of structure. We had break of structure right here, first break of structure, right? Then this is a liquidity. This is where we're supposed to take our target, our order. Following the bearish version of the standard trading model, it works everywhere. But I said you should look for high quality setup. This here I'm just trying to explain to demystify this consolidation, to try to break down this consolidation, right? With this model, we need a sweep of liquidity right here. The first leg, this first break of structure, at this high, this is where we're supposed to take our order to target this lower lows right here. So there was a sweep of liquidity. This one, we are on the 30 minutes time frame. We rallied down, right? First leg, this right here is the first break of structure. This guy here, it's high, this here. We mitigated. After mitigation, you can see the market went down in the manipulation. After every sweep of liquidity, after 90% of liquidity sweeps, right? The market sweeps liquidity, first manipulates before moving to the direction where it wants to go, before a reversal or a reversal. So there was a manipulation and the market rallied down to take this lower lows, smash the target. This right, that smashed. After the target was smashed, we can see this guy, there was a manipulation. After this manipulation, you see a rally, big rally, rallying, first break of structure. It's low right here. This is where set a buy orders, stop loss right below this guy here. That's following the bullish version of the standard trading model. We said we need a sweep of liquidity. Sweep of liquidity, yeah, we can begin right from here. We can see when this market was rallying up right here, right? What we can see is that we had a sweep of liquidity right here. That liquidity sweeps. After this liquidity sweep, I said with this model, after this liquidity sweep, this guy becomes a stronger lower low right here. This guy here. This guy is a stronger lower low. And then we said we need a first break of structure right here. Do we have a first break of structure? Maybe dropping down on the lower time frame, you can find it out. But right here, we are not seeing it very clearly on this leg, first break of structure. Right? But you can see the market drop down. This right here is a form of liquidity, right? there's some liquidity lying here. Say engineered liquidity, right? That's the word. This guy becomes this guy you said is a stronger lower low. We don't expect it to be taken. So we swept this liquidity right here. All this guy liquidity here, lying here. Are sweeping it. Now following this model, right? Right here, we target this higher highs. So in the long run, of this guy, of this liquidity right here, engineered one, we expect this guy to be taken. This guy here, this high is following this model TP, right? Now, see, our liquidity was swept. But there was a consolidation. I've just broken it down. There was a manipulation here. Then the market rallied up, displacing, forming another confluence is this FVG right here. Let me delete some of these guys. Okay. You can see there was a big displacement. With that big displacement, we even formed an FVG right below this guy, this first break of structures lower low. There's another confluence to support our to give us a clear confidence that this guy is going to be taken, which was smashed just like that. This analysis here of this target, let me show you on the bigger time frame. This is eve to Christmas. No, those are the 22nd. I remember the date, 22nd. We had anticipated this high to be taken. This guy here, this high. This one we are now on the daily time frame. We did a top-down analysis on GBPUSD. Yeah, on that video, I'll put a link on the description for that video where we did a top-down analysis from the weekly, where we came by that this guy came down on the daily, this FVG right here, to fill this FVG, and we said after this fill of this FVG, this is where we look our pattern, our edge, that's the bullish one, and we will expect this guy to be taken, and we just the market just perfectly delivered to our target. That is it. Simple as that. Fill FVG right to the target. Expect to continue up before we drop down a bit. This one right here also. What? Don't do that. We can see we are on the 4-hour time frame, and that confluence to support this FVG at this high being taken. You can see for our model. Let me just stop there because I broke down everything on this guy on that video. Everything. But on the surface, we took some liquidity here. Just following this model. Took liquidity. First break of structure, this guy. This is where we're supposed to take this guy up there. Yeah. We said on that video, yeah, you can go for the details. That video will explain everything. But on the surface, we said this market rolling down. There was a fast break of structure on the lower time frame. I think on the 1 hour or 30 minutes right here. After it was taken, we see a manipulation right here. Manipulation before we rallied up to take these high highs. So that is it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Just wanted to give a quick update on what GBPUSD is doing. Our target smashed. This right here just happened today. This move here. This was around how many pips? On this large version of it. This was around how many pips are from? No. showing the full move. We had, let's say we were here around here 27, right? 1.22700, and then here we smash this guy on, let's say 1.279, yeah, 0.279. That's around 90 pips, right? 90 pips. 90 pips is not a joke with a good lot size, right? 90 pips with a lot charter with a lot 0.01, that's $9. With lot 0.1, that is $90. With a lot with a standard lot, that's $900. Oh, my math, is it mathing? Is my mathing? That's what we used to say. Is my mathing? Okay. With standard lot, that is around $900. Then 10 lot, you can get $9,000, right? Or my math is not mathing. You can confirm that by your own, right? Thank you so much, and yeah, trade safely. Yeah, that's what I can say. Bye. See you in the next video.